So you want to make your CX-5 a drift machine? Well, you come to the right place, guys. Just to let you know, this video is not about the basics of how to drift a vehicle. This only covers how to disable the dynamic control systems of the Mazda CX-5. Warning, disclaimer, do this at your own risk. What's up guys, it's Mark here of Driver67. So today I'm going to show you how to turn on drift mode on your Mazda CX-5. I'm just kidding. It's to turn off your stability control, which is a little bit different than traction control, and I'll briefly explain the difference for you guys here. Generally, there's two safety systems that's controlling you from drifting your vehicle around. The first one is the traction control system, which the driver can turn off. So it's basically a little button on the side here. It says TCS off. Push that off. The dash should show TCS off. Traction control, what it does is, let's say you're on a slippery surface right now, you come to a full stop, you accelerate really hard, right? So naturally on a slippery surface, your wheels will try to spin excessively. However, traction control, it would notice that the wheel is spinning too much and will slow down or cut the engine power to slow your wheel so it doesn't spin excessively. When it comes to stability control, that controls your vehicle's sideways movement. So if your front wheels or the back wheels start to slide out to the side here, the vehicle will control the brakes or the power to quickly regain control as soon as possible. So the driver can't turn that off unless you do the following modification. Firstly, fully shut off your vehicle and pop open the hood, and you want to access the fuse box. Open up the fuse box and you basically need a set of pliers to remove one fuse. You can refer to your instruction menus for the fuse and the descriptions of where they're located, but basically we're going to remove fuse 16 on the 2018 CX-5, and that is basically covering the dynamic control systems of the vehicle. There's another fuse that covers ABS and DCS, but don't worry about that. All I have to do is remove the fuse 16. Again, make sure your vehicle is fully shut off. So after you shut off the engine, just wait about 2 minutes and you want to remove the 50 amp fuse. You might need a small plier to remove the fuse. Mine's aftermarket fuse, so it's a little bit taller, but the factory 50 amp fuse is pretty flush with the fuse box, so take it out really carefully because those things do break easily if you use too much force. After removing the fuse and you first start up your vehicle, a bunch of error messages are gonna start showing up on your dash here. So some of the systems that's disabled is your ABS, so anti-lock brake system, traction control, stability control, which enables the drift mode. That's why the drift light is on right now, guys. And also your forward camera, which is located here, forward radar, which is the front of the vehicle, that has all been disabled. And now you can start doing donuts and start drifting the CX-5. I've got a beautiful community test track here, which is basically on a frozen lake, and we can do anything we want here. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. You learned something fun and interesting today, and if you want to see more CX-5 drifting, check out this on-screen video links. Other than that, stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you later.